Students, in the previous video we had discussed about the solution of the third unit of 2015 question paper. So we have discussed the sixth question and seventh a first part. Now take a look at seventh a second part. Convert the binary number 1101.1101 into their decimal equivalent. So if this is a binary number, we want to find its decimal equivalent. We know that if it's a binary number, then to convert its decimal number, this will be 1. This will be the coefficient of 2 cube. This is the coefficient of 2 square. This is the coefficient of 2, and this is coefficient of 2 raised to power 0, and this is the coefficient of 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 2, and 2 raised to power minus 3. Just take a look at the solution. Now take a look. This can be written as it is 1 into 2 cube plus 1 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0 plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to power minus 1 minus 4. After calculation, you will have the its decimal number equivalent, that is 13.8125. Now take a look at seventh B part. So seventh B part is define insertion sort and use it to put the elements of the list 7, 3, 4, 8, 1 in increasing order. So firstly we have to define the insertion sort. Now what is the insertion sort? With the help of insertion sort, the basic idea is to insert an element R into a sequence of ordered elements, say R0, R1 up to Ri minus 1, in such a way that the resulting sequence of size I plus 1, means resulting sequence is when we add the number Ri in this sequence, then resulting sequence will be R0, R1 up to Ri minus 1, Ri. Then obviously size of that sequence will be I plus 1. Is also ordered. Here our order is increasing order. So in this sort method, divide the list into two parts. So one is sorted part, one is already increasing order, and other is unsorted part. Then we will pick up one element from the front of unsorted part. We will pick the first element of unsorted part and insert it at its proper place in sorted part. Proper place means we will put our first element of the unsorted part into the sorted part, say such that the sorted part is in increasing order. Repeat this action till all the elements of unsorted part are executed. Now, for example, we have to put the elements of this list in the increasing order using insertion sort. So elements of the list are 7, 3, 4, 8, 1. So in the beginning, we will consider that first element is sorted part and the remaining 4 elements consist in unsorted part. So consider first element 7 as sorted part and the rest of the list as unsorted part. So we will pick the first element of unsorted part, 7. We will put in the sorted part, but because 7 greater than 3, so we will interchange these elements. So after this step, there are two sorted elements as shown below. 3 and 7, this is in the sorted part because 3 is less than 7, 7 greater than 3, so we have to interchange these elements. And our unsorted part is 4, 8, 1. Now we will pick up the third element. Now since we know that 7 greater than 4 and we have to write the list in increasing order, so we have to interchange these two elements. So insert this element in the sorted part. Element 7 will be shifted one place towards right to commute this new element. After this step, there are three sorted element and 2 unsorted element. So 3 unsorted elements are 3, 4 and 7 because these are in increasing order, and the unsorted part contains 2 elements, 8 and 1. Now pick up the element 8. Since 7 less than 8, so we don't have to interchange these two elements 7 and 8. So now we have one is sorted part and another is unsorted part. In sorted part there are 4 elements, 3, 4, 7, 8, and in unsorted part there is only one element, that is 1. Now we have to put this element 1 actually in the first position because all our other elements 3, 4, 7, 8 are greater than 1. So insert this element in the sorted part. Elements 8, 7, 4, 3 will be shifted one place towards right to accommodate this new element. After this all the elements of the unsorted part are executed and the sorted elements are shown below, which are in increasing order with the help of insertion sort. The list is 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. So this is the easy sorting to put the elements of a list in increasing order. So till now we have discussed about the solution of the third unit of 2015 question paper. If in any question you will face any problem or any query, then you can ask. Thank you.